Right, bit of a nasty question. The cubic equation 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0 has the roots alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha plus beta plus gamma equals minus 2, and alpha, gamma, beta, gamma equals minus 2/3, and alpha times beta times gamma is a third. We're normally told to work this out, but it's happy it's not done it. The cubic equation w cubed plus pw squared minus 15w minus q equals 0 has roots 3a plus 1, so 3 alpha plus 1, 3 beta plus 1, and 3 gamma plus 1. Find the integers of p and q. Right, so I'm still going to use the same equations that I always use, which is the sum of the singulars. For my second equation, I'm not going to do it for the first because it's already done for me, is these three added together, which is 3a plus 1, 3 beta plus 1, and 3 gamma plus 1. Yeah, and this is going to equal to minus b over a. The sum of two of them, which is going to be 3a plus 1 times 3b plus 1, and then it's going to be plus 3a plus 1 plus 3 gamma, sorry, plus 1, and the third one I've done is the plus 3 beta, alright, plus 1 times 3 gamma plus 1. Okay, this has got to be equal c over a. Okay, and let's do the third one, which is the sum of all three of them, which is alpha, beta, gamma. So that's got to be 3a plus 1, because that's the alpha in that one, and 3 beta plus 1, and 3 gamma plus 1. And that's got to equal ab minus d over a. Let's see if this helps us. A, B, C, D. Well, B is minus P, so I'm going to change that to minus P. Minus 15 is C, which might help us out. And D happens to be Q. I'm going to focus on the first one. So if I actually add these together, I get 3 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 gamma plus 3 equals minus p over a. Oh, sorry, actually no, a is 1, so it's just minus p. If I factorise this, I actually get 3 lots of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 3. Now, alpha, beta, gamma was actually given to us in the question. If you look up, now here it is, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 2. So I can change this to 3 times minus 2 plus 3 must equal my negative p. Okay, 3 times 2 is minus 6, plus 3 is minus 3, so minus 3 equals minus p, so p has to equal 3. Worked out what p is. Now I'm just going to move on to the q. I have all this horrible mess. I've got one equation here that actually has q, and it gets a lot worse because I now have to try and expand this and see if anything nice happens. So I'm going to get another piece of paper. So let's expand the first bit. 3a times 3b is 9 alpha beta. 3a times 1 is plus 3 alpha, so I keep on a. Good. 1 times 3 beta is plus 3 beta. 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1. I haven't done the first bit, 3b plus 1. And now I've got to expand this again. Be careful because there's a lot of terms. 9 alpha beta times 3 gamma is 27 alpha beta gamma. But we know what alpha beta gamma is, but we'll do that in a minute. 9 alpha beta times 1 is just 9 alpha beta. Done right now, 3 alpha. 3 alpha times 3 gamma is 9 alpha gamma. 3 alpha times 1 is 3 alpha. Now do the 3 beta. 3 beta times 3 gamma is 9 beta gamma. 3 beta times 1 is just 3 beta. And let's do the 1. I've got plus 3 gamma plus 1. Okay, and this might seem a little bit horrible, but as I said, alpha, beta, gamma was in the question. So if you've got the question paper back down here, it told me that alpha, beta, gamma was a third. So I can change this to be 27 times a third. 27 times a third is 9. So that's 9, which is good. I've got my plus 1 here, so I'm just going to put a plus 1. I don't have to deal with that anymore. Now I've got the 2 terms, I've got 3 lots of 2 terms, so I could consider that as 9. Alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Okay, I'm putting boxes around these, otherwise I might try and use these again. I know alpha gamma plus beta gamma is back in my question, which is here. So this is really 9 lots. So this is really minus 2/3. So that's really 9 lots of minus 2/3. 9 times minus 2/3, which is 6. So minus 6. And here I've got 3 alpha, 3 beta, 3 gamma, which I could think of it as 3 lots of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Again, for my question, alpha plus beta plus gamma is in minus 2. So that's 3 lots of minus 2, which is minus 6 again. So I've got 9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 6, which is minus 2. You may have forgotten what these all equal, which is q. So minus 2 equals q. But I remember this is actually minus q, so it's minus 2 equals q, q equals 2.